Hello, we are Team LostLink and our project is LostLink Reunite AI Hub, an AI powered recovery platform. Using personal belongings in high traffic areas like colleges and transport hubs is a widespread problem. Current manual systems are slow and unreliable, leading to extremely low recovery rates. For instance, Indian Railways alone reports more than 1.5 lakh items lost every year, but only a fraction ever make it back to their owners. The solution is LostLink, a centralized AI powered platform for real time reporting, secure verification, and faster recovery. What makes it unique is our AI based matching system combines with a tamper proof digital log that ensures trust and accountability for every case. The heart of LostLink is its AI engine. We use CLIP, contrastive language image pre training for image and text embeddings, which means our system doesn't just see pixels, it understands context. On the top of this, we use FAISS, which is also known as Facebook AI, for similarity search, enabling 80% plus accurate match detection. The backend is managed by Flask and all item data is securely stored in MongoDB. Together, this forms a seamless pipeline. A user reports, the AI engine matches, and the system notifies the owner. Using PyOTP based one time codes, we ensure only the rightful owner can claim the item. This prevents fraud and builds accountability at every step. Why LostLink is feasible? Because we have built it entirely on an open source stack, making it low cost, highly replicable, and infinitely scalable. The true impact is in the results. Take case 1, a university campus. Earlier, manual tracking gave only a 25% recovery rate. After deploying LostLink, recovery jumped to 85% and staff effort reduces by 60%. Now case 2, a metro station. Manual checks meant recovery rate stayed under 30%. With LostLink, recovery surged to 90% and the average reunion time dropped to just 2 days. In short, LostLink delivers rapid recovery under 48 hours, personalized alerts, and 60% manpower efficiency. Our vision is bold but achievable to create a national lost and found grid with police FIR integration, ensuring lost belongings can be reunited across the country. We are LostLink, Reunite AI Hub, the smart, secure, and scalable way to connect people with their belongings. Thank you. If a user has lost something, he will click on I lost something, then he will enter item name, then he will provide description of that item, then at location he will fill that where he had lost that item, then he will upload a image of that item, then his contact details. When he click on find matches, it will display that matching item on our dashboard.